Finding your IP address on your iPhone 16 helps troubleshoot network connectivity issues and configure network settings for specific applications or services. Here's how to locate this network information on the new iPhone. To get started, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, find Wi-Fi and then tap on it. Now find the Wi-Fi network that your iPhone is connected to and then tap the information or the letter I button next to it. In the succeeding menu, scroll down to the IP address section. Here you'll find your IP address along with other additional network information such as subnet mask and router address. Aside from troubleshooting network connectivity issues, knowing your iPhone's IP address is also crucial for enhancing privacy by understanding how your online activity can be traced. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.